Welcome to the TwinMe sampling process. Follow these simple steps to ensure an efficient and accurate collection of your samples. First, take out a strip from the received envelope and write down your IDBT, which you can find on the envelope received via mail or directly on the TwinMe portal. Next, add the date and time at which your sampling will be done. Before starting, make sure to thoroughly wash your hands. Unscrew the lancet cap at the extremity and place it on the tip of any finger. Then press the green top button to collect the sample. Quick tip: position the lancet slightly to the side of the fingertip for more effective collection. Gently massage your finger to help blood flow. Place a drop of blood per circle on the strip without touching it with your fingertip. The blood sample should have a minimum of 5 millimeters of diameter on the strip. If necessary, apply the adhesive bandage on the finger. Next, fill out the sample questionnaire online at the TwinMe portal. This questionnaire provides additional information to enhance the accuracy of your twin. Be sure to fill out the questionnaire with each sampling strip. Place the strip in the specimen bag. You have now completed the sampling process for TwinMe. If you have additional questions, please refer to our FAQ page with the link below. Thank you for your participation.